click on the link, it'll bring you to this page and you just want to click on use template. If you don't already have Canva and you're not signed in, you can go ahead and log in with any of these options. I like to use Google and create an account if you don't already have one. So you'll see this first slide, and then if you scroll over, you'll see the second slide. That is the full-length video, and this is the template where you can insert your own picture if you want. If you don't want to put your own picture, you don't have to. You can simply just download this one video by clicking this little icon at the top right-hand corner and click on download. And then instead of selecting all pages, you would just deselect page 1. So it will only download the video and you don't have to insert the picture of yourself and add that slide to it. So that's that. But if you do want to add the slide with a picture of yourself to let people know that you are going to be there, what you'll want to do is click on this little plus sign in the bottom left-hand corner, and then you will want to upload your own photo. So you're going to click on upload files, and then you're going to click on device, and then you'll click on files or whatever your phone says to click on. And I'm just going to use one of these images right here. So I like this image. So once it's uploaded, and obviously it's going to be an image of yourself, but once it's uploaded, you simply click on it. So you'll see that the image is pretty much covering everything. So what you want to do is you want to press down and hold on it and kind of just hover over that circle until it goes into the circle. So once it's in there, you can double click to adjust the photo, like move it around, make it bigger, make it smaller. So I think that's good. And then I'm going to click done. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So you have your picture in there, and then all you want to do after that is download it. So again, if you want to download just one, you don't want to download the full flyer, you just want to download yourself, just click on download and make sure you select just the single page, right? So page 1. But if you want to do both pages, you do 2. And then it will download the entire video. So you can add it as a reel and it'll be the full flyer video. So you'll probably get this notification because I am using an item in there that is from the premium. You don't need to try Canva Pro for free if you don't want to. It is worth having though if you're a business owner. But if you don't want to do that, just click download a free watermarked draft, because it's not a big deal. I think it puts a little watermark on there, but it's not a big deal. So just download that version if you don't have the Pro version. Once it's finished downloading, you'll just want to go to your gallery and your phone and take a look at it. And it looks good. So all you want to do now is upload it to Instagram or Facebook or wherever. You can share it on WhatsApp. And I've included the caption for you if you want to use that or you want to use parts of that. And if you are posting it on Instagram, be sure to add a sound or music or something of your choice because those tend to perform a little bit better. But that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.